As an administrator of your new analytics account, in addition to the standard setup tasks, there are specific settings that you need to set up for your business. A Getting Started guide and various tutorial videos are available from our website to talk you through all the steps required to deploy your system. You will have received a welcome email from us shortly after placing your order, which contains your username. Click on the link within that email to create your password. You can now log into your account. This video will specifically cover how to enable the off button, setting your exposure assessment type, and the watch display information. The watch constantly senses vibration and determines if the nature of the vibration is from a tool to decide that a tool trigger has been pulled. If the operator will be subject to material vibrations whilst not using tools, and these vibrations are not considered a source of HAV risk, the use of the off button should be considered. Enabling the off button within the analytics allows all operators to switch off the detection of tool exposure points, TEP. The decision to enable this function should be taken after careful consideration by senior management of the watch's method of working in determining HAV exposure as tool exposure points, TEP, and sensed exposure points, SEP. Log into the Reactec Analytics. To enable the off button, click Data Project Manager from the top menu. Then from the side menu under Setup category, choose Have Options. Tick the Have Where Off button enabled box. Next, you have the option to choose Exposure Assessment Type. The watch system calculates and reports individual exposure risk based on your assumed tool vibration magnitude, TEP, and real-time vibration magnitude experienced by the wearer in a single system, SEP. By default, the system is set such that TEP are displayed on the watch and SEP are recorded in the background. Both sets of data are available within the analytics. In situations where an organization chooses to select SEP data, the watch will display SEP and the exposure risk data reported will be based on real-time vibration magnitudes experienced by the wearer. Choose the option required as per your company policy. Next, you have the option to choose Display Information. The watch can be configured to display one of three operations: exposure points, time remaining to ELV, or time remaining to EAV, followed by time remaining to ELV. Choose the option required as per your company policy. An option is also available to limit the potential for an operator to sign out more than one watch within a configurable time period. The default for this option is set to off, which makes it possible for any ID card to be used to sign out more than one watch. An administrator can set a time period of up to 4 hours during which an ID card cannot be used to sign out a second device. For more information on this, please see our software administration guide. Finally, there exists the option to configure a HAV risk report for the dashboard. For more information on this, please see our reports user guide. Click Save. Any changes made to any of the settings is recorded in the changelog. Thank you for listening to this session on the Reactec Analytics setup. For further support and information, visit the support section on the Reactec website.